needs attention too. And Teal wants attention. Oh. Oh. And a green one's out here.
That's Black Boy.
Black Boy's the green one?
Yeah.
Ah, you're biting me. That's my toe you got. Finger. Oh. He's good looking. I like this one though.
Yeah, that's Max.
He's got
That's
some
Max.
spunk. Max has got spunk, that's for sure.
Sure is big.
Got your paw. Got your paw. Got your paw. Don't eat my toe, please. Oh, you're so cute. You just want a nibble. Oh, you're so cute. I know. Come here. Come here, Max. Come here, Max. Oh, boy. That's an attitude. Listen to. Come back. Come back. Come back up here.
He has a short muzzle. Black Boy.
Go on up there.
Looks like a little
Teal.
bull mastiff, kinda. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
Oh my God. Good girl, Teal. She's peeing over there, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Hey, quit biting my toes, you. What's the deal with you and toes? Who's whining? Teal. Yeah, but that's Teal. I don't know why she's
There's
whining.
Silver right there. That's Silver Girl. She's the biggest of our girls. You guys are too much fun. They are 4 weeks old. 4 weeks and a couple of days. Checking stuff out. I'm gonna go get a couple more.